Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm simply going to show you how you could easily fix if the Instagram messages general primary option is not showing up. So if you're using a business account on Instagram and you're not getting the general and primary options in your DM and you don't know how to fix that, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply check whether you are using the up-to-date version of the app or not. For that, simply head towards Play Store, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom, then head towards the search bar icon at the top and search for Instagram. Here you just have to make sure that you are using the up-to-date version of the app. If you are not, then simply update the app because updating the app usually fixes all the bugs and glitches inside the app. Once the app is updated, what you have to do next is to go back, head towards your phone settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on where it says apps. In the apps, you have to head towards the all apps, and then it will give you all of the apps on your phone. From these apps, you can simply search for Instagram and you can scroll through the list and find out Instagram. Once you have find that out, tap on that and head towards storage and cache, clear out the storage and cache. And after that, most of the issues would be resolved and you'll get a smooth running application. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.